Good morning, children. Today, let us learn 6.4 exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Let us learn with an example. See, this is an ABC is a triangle. Here, exterior angle is if it is continuous, that is BC line, it will continue. See, D. ACD is an exterior angle to ABC. So, what is this exterior angle? If it is an angle outside of the triangle, this is ABC, it is a triangle. The interior angles ABC, BCA and CAB and the sum of these ABC, three triangles should be 180. Here, what is an exterior angle? Here the definition, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. See here in this example, this is A and B is opposite to ACD. So, sum of this A and B angle is equal to angle ACD. See, for example, angle A 70 degree, 50 degree, angle B 70 degree. So, what is the sum of this A and B? 50 plus 70, 120. So, angle C, that is ACD, exterior angle should be 120. See here, angle 3, this is if you consider angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So, the total interior angle sum is 180 degree. So, opposite angle sum of angle 1, angle 2 is 120. So, if we deduct 120 from 180, so angle 3 here 60. See here in this also, this is a straight angle. So, what is the straight angle means? Linear pair, that is supplementary angles, the sum of this linear pair, that is supplementary angle, should be 180. See here 120 plus third angle 60, 180. So opposite A and B is equal to exterior angle. Here another one example given. See here the given angle 1, angle 2 and angle we have to find out angle X and Y. So, given, consider ABC, angle ABC. ACD, here ACD is an exterior angle. To show ACD equals angle A and angle B. Through C, draw CE parallel to BA. This is AB and EC or BA and C is the parallel lines. This is the AC is the transversal to AB and EC. So justification. So through C draw CE parallel to BA. Justification steps. First one, angle 1 is equal to angle X. Reason, see BA parallel to, this is parallel symbol. Parallel means equal, like this, equal parallel to CE, and AC is the transversal. B, angle 2, this is angle 2 equals angle Y. When these parallel lines and transversal, the angle 1 equal to angle X. See, that means in the same position, and angle 2 is equal to angle Y. So here BA parallel to CE and BD is a transversal, transversal. So therefore corresponding angle should be equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to X plus Y. So this is angle 1, angle 2. It should be equal to X and Y. So now angle X plus Y is equal to angle ACD. Angle XY is equal to angle ACD. So I already told you that if we angle XY means here, this is C, this is we have to see that. So both of this X plus Y is equal to ACD, exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So A should be X, B should be Y. So here this is also same, this is also same. Hence angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD, that is interior angle 1, interior angle 2 is equal to exterior angle ACD. I already taught with an example with measuring degrees here. So here only explain only with the examples. The above relation between exterior angle and its two interior opposite angles is referred to as the exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, now I have written in the notes also this same. Okay, now exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. Given this is triangle and this is the exterior angle x. So given angle 1, angle 2, we have to find the value of exterior angle x. Solution. We know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So we have to sum this angle and this angle. So x is equal to, right like this, x is equal to 50 plus 70. So x is equal to 120 degrees. So this value is 120 degree. You can write here also, then write here also, like this, 120 degree, like this. So second one, we have to write this statement for every problems. Okay, second one, given triangle 65 degree and 45 degree exterior angle x. So x is equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree, x is equal to 110 degree. This is 110 degree. So here also solution, x is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. We have to add x is equal to, this is 70 degree. Next, this is given the triangle, angle 1, angle 2, 60 degree, 60 degree, and you have to find the angle. So exterior angle. So x is equal to 60 degree plus 60 degree, x is equal to 120 degree. Here also x is equal to 50 degree plus 50 degree, x is equal to 100 degree. Here the value of the x is 100 degree, I have written here. Next one also, x is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree, 90 degree, x is equal to 90 degree. This is x value 90 degree. See here. Okay. Question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle in the following figures. So now we solved the problems with the find the value of exterior angle. In this, we have to find the unknown interior angle in the following figures. Given triangle, exterior angle also given. We have to find the one angle of interior angle x. So we know that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So we already learned that interior sum is exterior angle. So we have to deduct this angle from this exterior angle. We get the interior angle value of the x. So x plus 50 is equal to 115. By transposing 50 degree from left hand side to right hand side, so x is equal to, take as it is 115 degree. When we transforming 50 degree from left hand side to right hand side to equal, so minus here, when see here this is plus 50, it will become minus 50. So x value is equal to, when we deduct 50 degree from 115 degree, so x value will we get 65 degree. So by transforming 50 degree from left hand side to right hand side, this is, so this is plus 50 degree, see, it is left hand side to equal symbol. When we transforming it to right hand side to the equal symbol, it will become minus, like this. So when we deduct 50 degree from 115 degree, x value is 65 degree. Here x value is 65 degree, like that. So second one same also. We have to write the statement for every problem. Okay, given the interior angle, one angle 70 degree, and we have to find the x value of interior angle, given exterior angle 100 degree. So x plus 70 equals 100 degree. X is equal to 100 minus 70 degree. X value 30 degree. It is 30 degree. See, 30 plus 70, 100 degree. That is sum of two interior angles, that is opposite angles to exterior angle, is equal to exterior angle, like that. Next, third one. The given triangle is a right angle triangle. See, this is right angle triangle. So the angle opposite to the x is 90 degree. When the measurement is not given, we have to see that what type of triangle is this? Is this a right angle triangle or obtuse or acute, like that? So here, when we right angle triangle, when measurement is not given, it is understood that it is 90 degree. So x plus 90 degree is equal to 125 exterior angle measurement. So x is equal to 125 minus 90 degree. So x value is 35 degree. It is 35 degree. So no need to write here. We have to write the answers here only with the problems. Here given triangle, exterior angle 120 degree, another one interior angle 60 degree. You have to find the interior one side angle x. So x plus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. X is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. When we subtract 60 degree from 120 degree, here the x value is 60 degree. It is also same like that. X plus 30 is equal to 80 degree. X is equal to 80 degree minus 30 degree. X is equal to 50 degree. The value of x here, interior angle is 50 degree. Another one, x plus 35 degree is equal to exterior angle 75 degree. X is equal to 75 degree minus 35. X is equal to 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree. Okay. So we have now learned up to this. Okay, thank you children.